The police have been looking for us for months. We might get captured sometime.
Where are you?
Ow!
It's the police. It's
Oh,
the
you
police.
little stupid. Oh, you little
God.
stupid piece of
No!
crap.
Enos!
I've got cheats! I've got cheats!
No! Enos!
Bro, I'm gonna take you out for a long time. Where's the other one now?
Enos!
Oh!
I don't want to lose my friend. Enos? Enos! No! Enos! No! Stupid police!
Hey, get over here.
Enos! No!
What? What in the? Where did he freaking go?
Enos? Enos! Oh shoot! It's the police! It's the police!
Come here.
English or Spanish? That's what you get.
Can someone give me like a?
He's finally dead.
Give me a bat so I can hit one of you guys if it.
Yes, that police is finally dead. I finally killed him.
Okay, now you come looking.
He killed my friend.
Hey.
Police! There's a police!
You. A naughty one.
Behind you, chump.
Whoa!
Oh no! Don't hit me, please, please! Ah, you missed. No, no! Oh my god! I'm getting chased by a police! No!
No. No. Spare me.
Give up. Let my friend go. Or suffer the consequences.
Oh no.
Stay still!
Is this on? Please stop.
I killed that police again. Do I even have any more ammo? I have one more shot. I'll make it worth it. I killed that cop finally.
Oh, see, that's the last one.
Oh,
The last copy died.
there's a cop. There's a cop. Oh my god. Stay still.
Come here.
Okay,
Or else you'll suffer the consequences. No!
No. You're not doing another one. You didn't say that. You won't get the other one, but you will get me.
Have to let my friend be free. Or else you will suffer the consequences.
No. You mother.
Enos! What are you doing? Enos!
I don't know, I just got trapped.
I'll save you. You're free now. Get your revolver. There's a bunch of... Enos, I saved your life. There's so many cops now. They've been looking for us. Okay, we finally killed most of the cops. We have to be hiding from most of them because a lot of them are way more powerful than us. Hide! No! Don't kill me, please.
Die!
Enos, please carry me back to the zone. Enos, please carry me. He shot me. I'm bleeding.
Let me gather up his blood and put it in.
Okay. Carry me back. Carry me back to the safe zone, please. I'm bleeding.
Wait, you are? Let me fix that.
What is your problem?
Told you. I just fixed you.
Dude, you need to carry me back. I'm still bleeding.
I don't wanna.
Please, it's for my own
Alright.
thing.
Move yourself, otherwise you're pussy. I'm gonna grab some.
I see a cop.
You do?
Yes. You know,
Then that's a sign I do my stuff. I heard you kill the others, didn't you?
yes, I did. Even though I got
Yeah.
shot by that one, the reindeer one.
Take that, boy.
Yeah, my friend.
Before you rip my...
Before you lift my limbs out.
I gotta tell you something. I am inspired by you. So, can I join? No, you're not. Bye.
You're a cop.
Well,
You're a
I don't want
cop.
to anymore. I kind of want to be a criminal.
So,
Okay, Top. Okay, Top.
I'll hit you.
Should I accept you? Should I trust you?
Yeah.
Okay,
And I'm not actually a
Dap it
cat.
up.
I'm a polar bear.
dap it up. Come on.
And actually, you're
Yeah.
a cat. No, I'll show
We're
you.
the
I'll
cat
show you,
gang.
show you. This is a machine that
That's
can
pretty
make me
racist.
disguise myself into anything I want.
What? Oh, that's
That's
actually some
impossible.
nice
Yeah, I just
technology. Wait,
You
I
guys,
could just
guys,
turn myself
he's
back.
he's a transgender. He's a transgender.
no.
More like a trans person.
This
No,
technology
he's a trans
is
person, yeah.
amazing. Whoa. This is a really good technology. Did you make this all alone?
That technology.
Took
Nope.
50 years.
50 years? That's crazy.
I
Yeah.
made it. I made the designs.
You
Then I
helped
had to leave to go to another. Then I had to go to another country.
Yeah, he used to be a cop. He used to be a cop. You.
Then I had to go to another
Well,
country.
our enemies are cops, right? I killed a bunch of them with you. Okay, so Mr.
Mine.
Top,
That's my lens. Give me my
Yes.
lens.
what should we do?
Probably we should commit a robbery at the cave.
Yeah, we should go. Come on, let's go. Top.
Don't forget
There's guards everywhere now.
Yeah, there is.
Let's get bags since we do need to rob them. You guys kind of already have bags.
I already have a bag.
Once in the cave, I'll do it.
Enos, wait up. Ogre.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you got him. Nice. Okay, Mr. Top. These are the crates, if you're new. They drop
nice.
random
I'm
items.
Opening them, they're not yours, I swear to God.
Yeah.
Okay. So, you said at the cave.
Yeah. Hey, wait, come here. I need...
Enos! Uncut.
You were supposed to kill me.
Can you lick my bumhole?
Just die already.
Body.
He's a betrayer.
Die.